Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a new bank account to Allstate Insurance. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start using a new bank account to pay for your monthly premiums. How do you actually go ahead and connect a new bank account to Allstate Insurance? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Allstate account. Next, you're going to click on Payments and then click on Payment Methods. Once you click on Payment Methods, you're going to see the payment methods that are being used for your autopay, and you're also going to see different payment methods that are not being used for your autopay. So this is the one that's going to be shown behind the screen right over here. So if you scroll a bit more down, there's going to be this option that says Add Bank Account. So click on Add Bank Account, and then what's going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to enter your routing number and your bank account number so that it can use your bank account information to pay for your Allstate monthlies. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a new bank account to Allstate Insurance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.